The Schluter shelf, with its sleek design, can be used both inside the shower and out. In bathrooms, kitchens, or any tiled wall application, the shelf is the perfect mix of style and function. The shelves are made of 5 32" thick brushed stainless steel. A variety of shapes and configurations are available. Schluter Shelf E is suitable for corner installations. The shelf is available in 3 different shapes and offered in 2 styles. They are designed to coordinate with the curve and floral styles found in Kerdi drain and Kerdi line drain grates. It features 3 32" thick tabs that allow for installation in the grout joint without cutting or drilling into the adjacent tiles. Schluter Shelf E can be installed in conjunction with the wall tiles or just as easily in retrofit applications. In this video, we'll show you how to install the Schluter Shelf E in conjunction with the tile. Let's get started. Install the wall tile. A grout joint width of 3 32" or greater will eliminate the need to notch the tiles where the shelf is placed. Clean the setting material from the joint where the shelf will be installed while it is still fresh. Mark the tiles approximately 3/8 inch from the outside corners of the shelf. Grout the tile installation, leaving the area from the marks to the inside corner open. After the grout is set, fill the open joint with a sealant that is suitable for the application. We used a clear 100% silicone in our installation. You can use painter's tape on the surrounding tile and/or the shelf for the next steps of the installation, if desired. Insert the shelf. Provide temporary support if needed. Finally, seal the joint between the shelf and the wall tile on the top and bottom surfaces and finish the joint. We used a caulking tool for this, but other methods may be used as well, depending on installer preference. Allow the sealant to set before using the shelf. The installation of the Shelf E is now complete. Schluter Shelf, a convenient accessory that offers style and function for tiled walls.